Hello my beautiful nail lovers, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're most welcome to my channel once again. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. This channel is your go-to destination for latest, trending and inspiring nail designs and hairstyles. So if you love beautiful styles, if you love beautiful nail designs, why not do well to subscribe to this channel? Also turn on your bell notification, so that you don't miss our videos as soon as we upload new video here in this channel. Thank you so much as you join us. I'm using this opportunity to thank my returning viewers who are always coming back to watch my videos. You guys have been so supportive, you have been so amazing. God bless you all for always coming to watch our videos. Thanks for sticking around, and trust me, we'll keep bringing mind-blowing video, mind-blowing nail designs, mind-blowing hairstyles to you so that you always look elegant. Just like today is not an exception. We have carefully selected cute and elegant nail designs for my ladies. Beautiful acrylic nail designs for gorgeous women. You guys just ensure to watch the video from beginning to the end. Just when I say you're gonna be falling in love with amazing collections that we have compiled just for you, my ladies. Okay, we have it in different shapes, different nail arts, different designs, different colors that will definitely blow your mind. So as you watch, kindly make your selections. Okay, select your most loved ones and also share to your loved ones so they can as well come and look for the styles ideas here in this channel. And if this doesn't fit your needs, feel free to go into our channel. We have other amazing hairstyles, other amazing nail designs that you love. Okay, don't forget to support us by liking the video. Okay, give it a thumbs up, share to your family and friends, then subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much, my ladies, and see you guys in our next video. Bye.